Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add location on BeReal app. So guys, at first let me tell you something. If you need to add location on your BeReal, then first you need to turn on location on your mobile phone. So I'm turn on my location. And then let's continue into your BeReal app. Now you have to take your BeReal and then tap on the location besides the My Friends Only option, and then tap on the second one. So guys, as you can see, your location are now showing, and that's how you can add your location on BeReal app very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.